Hi everyone, you all have requested on my community. That means I have asked you all on community whether you want a review on this particular product, and you all said yes. Then if you want to have my particular first impression on this, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Today we are going to talk about the new launch products from Plum Goodness. Recently they have come up with altogether different products that is in their nail care range. In that particular nail care range they have nail polishes. In that they have total 24 shades. 12 shades I am just checking at my phone, so don't worry. 12 shades are bears and 12 shades are brights. Right now in 12 bear shades they have pretty good shade range, because generally when we go to check the bear shades, that is the light color range, then you have a very few selections, but in this they have a good selection, good array of colors. So definitely you can check out their total range. Total 24 shades as I've told you, and each retails for 195 rupees. That is the nail polish this is the nail polish what I'm talking about, and each one retailing is for 195 rupees, and each nail polish contains 11 ml. Right now you all can see on my hand, on my left hand side you can say you can check the bare shade, and on my right hand side you can check the bright side, that is the bright range. Okay, now you all will say ki why you have done this way. Actually I have received this parcel 2 days back. Yesterday I have already applied this nail polish because I wanted to check whether it is chipping off or no, because you all know my work schedule and everything, and I wanted to give this a nail polish range a full 100% full shot from my side, and that is why I have applied this. Now in this particular nail polish also I have done two things, because I have got their 3-in-1 top, base and nail strengthener coat as well, which is this. I have got this also just to review whether it is worth spending this much amount or no. I'll show you each and every product, but before that I'll tell you, these 3 fingers are with top and base coat. These 2 fingers are without top and base coat. You all can check. Okay, in these 3 fingers are without top and base coat, and these 2 fingers are with top and base coat. I have done this purposely just to check whether this particular product is giving you any sort of difference, or else it is just the same. If it is just the same, then this is for 225 rupees. This particular product, this is 3-in-1 product. So whether this is worth spending 225 rupees or no, so that is why I have done this 2 ways. Okay, now for this I have already uploaded a short video swatching, like applying the nail polish and all. Whatever is possible, you can definitely go to my channel. In the playlist I have a short videos playlist. You can go over there, you can check this particular, if you have not watched I have applied, how I have applied and all, you can watch that video, so you will have an idea. Because in this video I am not going to, if possible I'll apply that clip also. I am not sure, whatever is possible from my end I will do that, and if not you can go and watch that video. Right, so this is the bare side and this is the bright side. Now you will say why on my right hand side I have applied bright side. Just because I am a right hand dominant person, that is whatever work I do with my right hand, and that is why I have applied with this dark color on my right hand. And you all can see this is staying quite good on my nails. It is not yet chipped off from any side, and this both are 2 coats. Mind well, this both are 2 coats. All the fingers are 2 coats. Right, now I'll tell you some briefing about this particular nail polish. In this, as I told you, this is 121 pink, I'm not sure, one second, I'll just tell you, pink dust 121, and this is 140 rich brew. I'm just showing this way. This is 140 rich brew, and this is 121 pink dust. I could have got more shades, but you all know already I have done lot of nail polish reviews on my channel, and I'm the only one who is going to use this all nail polish, and that is why I right now cannot get all the shades, because it has 24 shades and each one is retailing for 195 rupees. And when I ordered that time, they were having some offer, nail combo, that is if you are ordering 3 nail polish then you will be getting in 499 rupees, but still if you calculate, one will cost you around 164 rupees, which is actually little bit costlier for a nail polish. But in this you do get 11 ml of product. The quantity is little bit more. compared to the other nail polish range and all. This contains 11 ml, as well as the shelf life of this product is 30 months. That is, once you open, you can use it for 30 months, and the manufacturing is July 21. Everything is basically given over here, but it is not possible for the camera to capture. I'm not sure. It is given over here. It is very minutely written. But then if I just checked everything, it is like July manufactured product and good to use for 30 months. Same is with this Pink Dust also and Rich Brew also, same. Right, and both contains, as I told you, 11 ml, 195 rupees. But definitely during, like, you can go to Plum Goodness. I got this all products from their own website, so you can go over there, you can check if they have some offers and all. And if you are doing the prepaid order, they'll give you 5% off on your order value, as well as I'll give you my referral code. Whatever is possible from my end, I'll give you that referral code. If you will use that, I think you will get some discount on that also. Mind well, it is not any kind of affiliate code or anything, nothing is that, but I have a code, so I have given you. So these are basically 2 shades which I got for you, and as I told you, this is my one and this is my other hand, or else I can show you this way. Can you see? And till now it is not chipped off. Now first I'll just interrupt the video in 1 second, because the lipstick what I have right now, I'll tell you that thing. It is from My Glam. It is their My Glam Lit Satin Matte Lipstick, and it is in the shade Lust Stories. This is the lipstick what I'm having on my lips right now, because I do get sometimes questions and I do forget. This is the lipstick what I'm having right now on my lips. This is the lipstick. Okay, so that I'm just making that particular thing very clear. Okay, now I have told you basically all the things for the nail polish. I'll tell you now few of the details for this 3-in-1 top, base, as well as the nail straightener coat. Okay, this is retailing for 225 rupees, and this also contains, I guess, 11 ml. Let me check. I think yes, 11 ml only, but I'll just confirm. Now you will say, why Meghna, you are little bit off today? Because I am not well, little bit not well, that is why I'm little bit off. This is even also 11 ml. So all these are basically 11 ml. Okay, they have come up with their Color Affair new range. In that they have these 3 things, as well as the 4th thing is their nail polish remover. Now this is their nail polish remover. This is for 30 ml, and this is retailing for 99 rupees. Now you will say 30 ml for 99 rupees, is it costly? Yes, of course it is costly for from my point of view, because I have this Asfa Halal nail polish remover also. I'm not sure right now the price, but definitely it is below 99 rupees. So this is that. I have NY Base Confident also. This is also, I think, 30 ml, because you all can see all the bottles, all are glass bottles. So even this is, but the USP, that is the different point for this particular nail polish remover. I'll just tell you, I have not yet used this product, but what I'll do is I'll make a short video of this product, and whenever it is available, if possible, I'll link that video also in this particular video's description box. So whenever you are watching this, you can check the description box. In that, this video will also be given. This says it is Plum Color Affair 3-in-1 straightener, base and top coat, 7 free formula with AHA and avocado oil, 100% vegan and cruelty free. That is what they say. I am free from 7 formula, 100% vegan and cruelty free. I can be used as a not this one, I'm so sorry. I can be used as a hardening treatment to strengthen and brittle nails. I can be used as a base coat to give the longevity to your nail polish. I can also be used as a top coat to retain the glossy finish on your nails. I come with a touch of AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acids, and avocado oil for that extra TLC. That is what they say. Now you will ask me whether it is worth buying this 225 rupees. I will say this is okay product. If you will skip on this, 100% you are not going to lose anything, because see, as I told you, I have applied in this the top and base coat, and in this 3 fingers I have not applied. So can you check? Can you see any difference? For me personally, I cannot see any difference. So if you will not buy this, if you have any other top or base coat, then also it will do. So for me, this is a skip product. As I told you, this product I will make a short video, and I will let you know what are my thoughts on this product, because I have not yet used this product, so I can't vouch on this. Now you will ask me whether you can go for this nail polish or no. Definitely you can go for this nail polish. Only one drawback is it is for 195 rupees, which is a little bit expensive on their price range, but it is, as I told you, free from 7 formulas. I'll just give you a brief, a detailed information, little bit what they say for this particular nail polish, because I'll be reading it from and they have given you all the swatches and everything, unlike how it will look on the fair, medium and dusky skin and everything on their app. So if you want, you can definitely go and you can check, as well as they have given you all the shades here. Like if you will click the shade, you will make out, you can make out, but definitely the color varies as per, like over here this is the pink dust shade. Now you all can see, this is suppose my hand, over here it looks pretty different and over here it looks pretty different. So if you are relying on the swatches, then I think you can be little bit disappointed. That is what I think, because of course color photography and all techniques makes a little bit difference in selecting the shades. So I just wanted to tell you that. Now even this formula is, this particular nail polish are free from 7 formulas, as I told you. Each and every detail they have given you. They said I give your nails a high gloss plump gel like finish. Yes, gel like finish, I definitely agree, because when I check this particular shade, I can feel that I have done something on my nails, that is I have gone for some gel treatment or something. I can feel that way. So definitely I will agree for that point. I'm a chip resistant, non-yellowing and non-staining nail polish formula. Non-yellowing and non-staining I cannot tell you because I have not yet removed, as I told you. But non-chipping formula definitely I will agree, because till now it is not chipped on my hand. It is not chipped, and if it is not chipped in my hand, that means it is going to stay, because I do a lot of homework at my place. So if it is staying on my nails, then I think 90% it will stay on your nails also, because my work style and lifestyle is little bit different. So that is why I come with a touch of avocado, as it was given in this. They have same thing given in this, their nail polish also, same details, everything, and touch of extra care. I'm 100% vegan and cruelty free. So now you will ask me my thoughts on this particular nail care range, that are all these 4 products. Then I will tell you, skip on this, you are not going to lose anything. I'll give you my thoughts on this. Again I'm repeating, and this definitely you can go. You can select the shades, whatever shades you want, or else if you have friends also who want to contribute with you, and you can go, because I am not sure right now whether they have nails $4.99, that is you can buy 3 shades in $4.99 or something, or no, I'm not sure, because when I ordered at that time introductory offer was there, but whatever offer will be available, I'll give you in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can check. For this shelf life is 30 months. I'll give you each and every detail also. Even in this also the shelf life is I think 30 months, and basically for each and everything the shelf life is 30 months. Expiry and manufacture is printed over here. It doesn't come with any kind of outer packaging, nor even a sellotape. It comes directly like this, wrapped in a paper like this. Okay, so nothing is wrapped, or it doesn't come any outer box or something, and it is kind of like, of course, nail polish color coordinated with the black matte cap and some hearts kind of printed with white design. Alright, so this is basically the things which I wanted to tell you. If you have any other particular thing to ask me or any other query, you can definitely let me know in the comment section, or else if you have any other video suggestions, you can ask me on, you can DM me on Instagram, or else you can ask me over here also. Whatever is possible from my side, I will try to help you as soon as possible. And if you feel I was a little bit off, then I'm sorry for it. As I told you, I'm not well, but I wanted to put this review as soon as possible on the channel, and that is why I am little bit in a hurry. I just wanted to tell you which product you can go for and which you can skip. And if at all you feel definitely 195 rupees is little bit expensive, then definitely you can skip on this also. You do get, but I will tell you the shade range in their bare shades, that is the bare range, is quite good shade range. So if you want to have a look on it, just have a look on it once and you can decide for yourself, and you can buy. Brights you can skip, because this kind of brights you can get lot of companies. I think Nykaa also have, I think Masaba. I have one nail polish from Masaba. I'm not sure whether it is the same, because I am having a gut feeling. I have not checked. I am having a gut feeling I'm so sorry. The same shade is available in Masaba also, and I have that Masaba nail polish. I will check, and if at all it is same, I will make a short video and I will tell you whether it is the same or no. So if you have not subscribed, what you are waiting for? Just go ahead, subscribe to my channel, because you do get lot of comparison videos, lot of new launches videos and everything on my channel. and your one like will encourage me to make more such 100 videos, as I always say. So please don't go without liking the video. And if at all anything wrong, I'm extremely sorry for that. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.